to celebrate. Pakistan has a lot to celebrate. In an ODI series at home, for the first time 2 matches to 1, and now they're following it up against Sri Lanka. First game was a close one, 6 runs, but this has been comprehensive. 2 runs left. Running the first run hard. They want the second, and they'll come. No, they won't. For a moment I thought they turned. They were determined. Rizwan really sprinted.
Yeah, he ran really hard for the first run, and he was thinking of the second, and good call at the end by Rizwan, because he was the one who was going to the danger end. He'd be happy, very happy man, very proud man to match Saeed Anwar, who's been a great server of Pakistan cricket for many years. 20 centuries in ODIs, that's something very special. And that's it. Pakistan winning the series 2-0. It's a 3 ODI one-day series, and they won this game convincingly. They've done everything right, what they were looking for. They bowled well, they batted beautifully. Babar Azam got his 100, Rizwan to his 50. So whatever they dream of, it all came right.
Yeah, fittingly Babar Azam scoring the winning runs, but it's been a very, very good win for Pakistan. Their 15th ODI series win over Sri Lanka, and, well, interestingly, 4th consecutive ODI series win over Sri Lanka. So they've certainly dominated Sri Lanka in the ODI format. And once again here at Rawalpindi, they go 2 up after they win the second game comprehensively by 8 wickets with 10 balls to spare, chasing 288 for 8 that Sri Lanka made.
Salman Ali Agha was the skipper, won the toss and elected to bowl, and I thought the bowlers did a fantastic job restricting the Sri Lankans to 288, and these two, a special player and a senior most player in the side, took the responsibility to finish this game at the end. Good opening partnership by Fakhr and Saim Ayub. They both looked really good, and at last Babar Azam breaking the jinx and getting to his 20th 100. Long wait come to an end. Pakistan winning this game by 8 wickets.
Sri Lanka will regret. They had their moments in both games and just could not capitalize on the opportunity. But Pakistan wasn't different. And that's the winning moment. Babar Azam fittingly scoring those runs, and look at how elated the dressing room is. It's a special moment. Back-to-back home series wins over South Africa and now over Sri Lanka, the 4th consecutive ODI series win. So that's a big moment and a great achievement on the part of the Pakistan team.
Yeah, very relieved man, because 2.5 years or 83 innings is a long time, and getting to his 100, and you can see the smiles, you can see the giggle, the proud moment for Babar and his team. Look at that, Naseem Shah giving a big hug. He deserves that. The coach there, everyone's just pleased with his performance. He looked really good. He looked the old Babar Azam, and I think this 100 will take him long way. He just wanted to get 100, and so he can just get out of that that pressure which was mounting on him. So superb knock, one must say.
An ideal way to silence your critics, and Babar Azam doing it in fine style. 102 of 119 balls. Rizwan 51 of 54. 112 unfinished partnership of just 109 balls. helping Pakistan to a very impressive 289 for 2 of just 48 overs and 2 balls, winning by 8 wickets.